Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today I will be sharing you few relevant information about cottage cheese, its benefits and how is it useful for weight loss. Let's see. Cottage cheese incorporates in the dieter's diet as a weight loss food. It is a rich source of calcium and protein and can be eaten alone or mixed with another ingredient as a side dish. Many people eat cottage cheese in raw form, mixing with salt and pepper. In contrast, few add with salads for a creamy flavor and its association with many health benefits. The protein present in the cottage cheese helps to keep you full for longer and controls hunger. The calcium in the dairy products helps in burning the fat. It is suitable for the bones and helps to lose weight. Now let's see the benefits of eating cottage cheese. So many benefits makes the cottage cheese a wonder added to your diet. It is included in the weight loss diet and gives an extra flavor to your real food. It is rich in protein and other minerals like iron, magnesium, calcium in fair amounts. Cottage cheese helps in strengthening the bones, teeth and keeps the heart healthy and also helps in the proper functioning of the nerves. It also reduces blood sugar levels. It keeps the heart health good. The amount of phosphorus present in the cottage cheese helps in improving the process of digestion and excretion. Cottage cheese contains folate that helps in the development of the fetus and plays an essential role in the production of red blood cells. Now let's see how cottage cheese helps in weight loss. Cottage cheese remains fuller for a long time. Thus, there is no feeling of hunger and reduces appetite too. It in turn helps you to eat less and helps in the weight loss regime. The presence of linoleic acid helps to burn the fat in the body. It is advisable to eat raw cottage cheese to avail all the maximum nutrition benefits compared to the cooked ones. If you are consuming cottage cheese as a diet plan, sprinkle little cinnamon or nutmeg powder on the cottage cheese. You may mix berries and sliced bananas that will give an extra flavor to the cheese. You may add pineapple slices and peaches too. You may use cottage cheese as a dip for baby carrots and few celery sticks. Now let's see a simple recipe to use cottage cheese in your daily weight loss program. It's an easy snack preparation using cottage cheese and is suitable for any time of the day. Let's note down the ingredients. You need 1 cup cottage cheese, half cup dried fruit bits, 1 teaspoon honey. Now combine all the ingredients and mix well and serve. I hope this information was useful and you will include cottage cheese in your daily weight loss program. Thank you.